Wear safety glasses whenever cutting or demolishing vinyl plank flooring, and use hearing protection whenever operating power tools. For demolition, start by removing baseboards and loosening planks with a pry bar while keeping a low stance to avoid flying debris. Use safety glasses that meet American National Standards Institute Z87.1 impact protection and consider side shields for splash and dust resistance. When using any power saw, such as a circular saw or jigsaw, always add hearing protection rated at noise reduction rating of at least 25 decibels and fit ear muffs over the entire ear for the best seal. For indoor cutting, reduce dust by cutting near an open window with a box fan pulling air out, or use a portable vacuum with a HEPA filter attached to the saw when possible. Wear a disposable N95 particulate respirator if you are sanding or creating fine dust, and avoid cloth masks that do not filter fine particles. Keep children and pets out of the bathroom while you work, and clear a safe perimeter with closed doors and signage. 3 common issues are inadequate eye protection, underestimating noise exposure, and failing to control the work area. People often wear low-profile sunglasses or no eye protection, which leaves them vulnerable to shards and adhesive chips. Fix this by using certified safety glasses with side coverage and changing scratched lenses. Many homeowners use earbuds or nothing at all and experience temporary hearing loss or ringing. Solve this by using properly fitted earmuffs or foam earplugs and taking frequent quiet breaks to reduce cumulative exposure. Finally, pets and children wandering into the space create trip and contamination hazards. Prevent this by scheduling work when the household can keep them elsewhere, and by isolating the room with barriers and clear notices. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for bathroom vinyl plank work and provides a discussion community where we share project experiences and safety tips. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations, showcase past projects, and connect directly with nearby homeowners.